Programming your key fob for a 2001 to 2010 Ford Explorer Sport Trac is a straightforward DIY task. This method applies to models with factory keyless entry. Ensure you have a compatible fob, typically a 3-button remote with lock, unlock, and panic buttons, and a working key. No special tools are required, but a multimeter for battery testing is recommended. The process involves syncing the remote to the vehicle's receiver module using the ignition switch and key fob buttons. This uses the vehicle's programmable module installation system, which reprograms the fob's unique ID via radio frequency signals at 314 MHz. 1. Enter the vehicle with the driver's door open. 2. Insert and remove the key from the ignition 3 times within 10 seconds without starting the engine. 3. Close and open the driver's door twice. 4. Insert the key again, cycle the ignition to the on position, not start, and press the lock button on the fob within 5 seconds. 5. Repeat for additional fobs, up to 4 can be programmed. If pairing fails, check the fob battery voltage and ensure the vehicle battery is above 12.6 volts. Clean ignition cylinder contacts if needed. Success depends on vehicle condition and user preparation. If issues persist, consider professional reprogramming to avoid module damage.